Hi, my name is Megan Frazer Blakemore, and I am the author of the Frankie Sparks 3rd Grade Inventor Series. Today, I am inviting you to invent with Frankie Sparks. In Frankie Sparks and the Class Pet, Frankie's class is going to get a pet. She wants a rat because they are smart and cute. But there's a problem. The rules for the class pet are that it needs to be able to fit in an aquarium, cost less than $50, be easily portable, and it needs to be able to be left alone for the weekend. But rats like fresh food every day. What can Frankie do? Well, she is the world's greatest 3rd grade inventor, so she can invent something to solve her problem. And you know what? I actually made Frankie's invention from the book so that I could make sure it worked. And then illustrator Nadja Sarrel drew a picture of it. How cool is that? You know what's really cool? You can be an inventor too. Whenever you are going to invent something, you need to follow the design process: problem identification, brainstorm, design and build, test and retest, and share. The first thing you need to do is define your problem. That's going to start with you deciding what kind of pet you want. Do you want a gecko, a fish, a capybara? Frankie wants a rat, and rats need new food every day, so that's her problem. She needs to find a way to get that rat fresh food every day. What's the problem with your animal as a class pet? Start by checking the parameters. Does your animal fit in an aquarium? Does it cost less than $50? Is it easily portable? Is it able to be alone for the weekend? If you answered no to any of these questions, then you've identified your problem. If you answered yes to all of them, you'll need to dig a little deeper. Does your animal need a way to exercise or to clean itself? Think about what your animal will need, and you can create something to solve that problem. Next up, brainstorm. A brainstorm is when you come up with as many ways as you can to solve the problem. They can be simple ideas or out-of-this-world ideas. Write them all down. At this stage, there's no such thing as a bad idea. Now, take a look at your list of brainstormed ideas. Which ones seem like they would work? When you think you have a good idea, start designing. You can sketch or use words. Then gather materials to build. Frankie and I like to use stuff we find in the recycling bin. Next, build your prototype. Your prototype is like your first draft. Once you have built a working prototype, it's time to test. But maybe you don't have an animal that can test your invention. That's okay. You can pretend to be the animal yourself or use a stuffy. Keep testing and retesting until your invention is just the way you want it. Finally, it's time to share. Show your family, your friends, and your teachers. Grown-ups can share your inventions on social media. Be sure to tag me. Thanks so much for inventing with Frankie and me today. I hope you will read all of the Frankie Sparks 3rd grade inventor books. Bye-bye.